Novamine, innovative mining maintenance solutions. We are Novamine, a company in Chile and the Antofagasta region dedicated to the research, development, and manufacturing of hydraulic lifting equipment with high-impact innovation, where people's safety is in the center of our solutions. We're focused on satisfying the maintenance needs of mining companies in Chile and around the world. Our product line, Kimbo, allows reducing maintenance time and the risk of accidents, optimizes the number of workforce, and also mitigates potential work-related illnesses of its workers. Ultimately, Kimbo allows operational productivity increase as a key benefit to our clients. With more than 20 years in the market, our Kimbo dump body exchange system is a disruptive innovation developed, designed, and manufactured by Novamine. It replaces dump bodies with a supported load approach, which reduces the duration to 3 hours compared with cranes that require up to 48 hours and are under the condition of suspended load. The system can be operated 24/7, increasing significantly the availability of trucks, therefore increasing the productivity of the mine. Moreover, we also have the experience with more than 25 shovels lifting services in different types, brands, and models, both in Chile and internationally. Some of our lifting services include the repair of the crawler frame and the car body. During the overhaul, we carry out lifting to enable the change of the swing ring, a solution that stands out for significantly reducing shovel downtime from 45 days to 10, and therefore also reducing the associated costs, eliminating the suspended load and the exposure of technicians to complex high-risk maneuvers. All our services and track record make us reliable, safe, and efficient for this type of operation in mines. We are Novamine, a company from Antofagasta with presence in Chile and the world, with clients in Mexico, Peru, Brazil, the United States, and Mozambique, Africa. For more information, visit www.novamine.com. Novamine, innovative mining maintenance solutions.